We are a chosen generation.
Bermuda, save the date. The Track Family Fundraising Committee presents It's a Lifestyle Gospel Concert featuring Last Call, Whopper Benz, St. Paul's AME Praise Team, Divine Connection, Sean Herman, Cornerstone Bible Fellowship Dance Ministry, Double J, Young Torian Thomas,
Chosen generation.
and more. This will all be taking place at St. Paul's Centennial Hall, 7 p.m., August 19th. Tickets, $35 in advance, $40 at the door, $50 for patrons, $10 for children under 12. Tickets available at International Sports Shop, Don's Barber Shop, and Orchid Nail Spa. Come on out. This concert is to help cover costs for the medical expenses for the late Joey Hollis Trot. For more information, call 337-0178 or email trotty73@gmail.com.
I'm working in power. I work in miracles. I live a life.